Hey my babies, it's your girl Christina Naturally Nola back today with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you the items I received from my July 2019 Curlbox, and this time we're going to be featuring Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection. Baby, I tell you the truth, every time I think about canceling my Curlbox, they always pull something out of the head like this. I am so excited about this box and I'm so excited to show you all what I received. Now let's get into it. Now with this Grapeseed Style and Shine collection, it's all about how Aunt Jackie continues to celebrate universal textures. So with this month's Curlbox, each formula features grapeseed oil, which is rich in strengthening vitamin E and touts the ability to prevent hair loss, reduce dandruff, and restores damaged strands. So let's walk into greatness with these products, okay? First up, we have the Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen Mist. This is an antioxidant-rich sheen spray that deposits vitamin E right into your strands. Use this right after drying your curls or whenever you need that extra sparkle. This Power Wash Clarifying Shampoo not only removes buildup, but it helps enhance your curl pattern. It cleanses strands with the apple cider vinegar, healing aloe, and coconut milk to restore balance after washing your hair. Now, if you're looking for lightweight definition, grab this Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. It's formulated to be anti-poof, which means it penetrates the hair shaft and smooths curls to perfection. This Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly takes the fuss out of having to combine multiple products to get the perfect finger style. It acts as a step prep by smoothing curls like a detangler, while also defining and setting strands with elongating marshmallow root. And guess what, baby? This stuff is supposed to define your hair like a pro, so you know I can't wait to use it. Last but not least, we have this Rescued Recovery Conditioner. This is a deep treatment created specifically for chronically dry, damaged hair in need of a repair. A restorative blend of oils, including tamanu oil, works to straighten the hair shaft and gradually bring back elasticity back to your curls. I have to say that once again, I am definitely pleased with my Curlbox from this month. I love Aunt Jackie's product, and to be able to try her new line, this Grapeseed Style and Shine collection, I'm so excited to use it. So wash day is definitely gonna be fun. So stay tuned, my loves, because you know I have to do a follow-up video, let you know if these products perform well on my hair. If you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you. But if you didn't, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks so much for watching, my loves. Stay tuned.